Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we are diving deep into the incredible world of cells. Cells are the basic building blocks of all living organisms, from the tiniest bacteria to the largest animals. They come in various shapes and sizes, each with unique functions. Life on Earth is incredibly diverse, and that diversity starts at the cellular level. This diagram shows us the two main categories of cells, which are prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Think of prokaryotic cells as the simple ones. As you can see in this video, they are smaller and lack a true nucleus. Their genetic material just hangs out in the cytoplasm. In the microbial world, bacteria are a classic example of prokaryotes. Now, eukaryotic cells. These are the complex ones. They have a well-defined nucleus where their DNA is neatly stored. Many organisms we see every day, like animals, plants, fungi, and protists, are made of eukaryotic cells. Plant cells are unique because they have a rigid cell wall made of cellulose. They also have chloroplasts, which allow them to perform photosynthesis, and vacuoles to store water and nutrients. The cell wall is present only in plants and some other organisms, not in animals. Some animal cells even have flagella, those whip-like tails that help them move around. Protists are a diverse bunch. They can have a cell wall, but they don't form complex tissues like plants or animals. And finally, fungal cells have cell walls made of chitin, and they're heterotrophs, meaning they get their energy from other organisms. So, there you have it. A quick tour of the different types of cells that make up life as we know it. Cells are composed of several fundamental components. These components work together to maintain cellular homeostasis and perform essential life activities. The cell membrane, also called the plasma membrane, is found in all cells and separates the interior of the cell from the outside environment. The cell membrane consists of a lipid bilayer that is semi-permeable. It regulates the transport of materials entering and exiting the cell. The cell nucleus is an organelle located in the center of eukaryotic cells, and it houses the cell's DNA. Its primary function is to store and safeguard genetic information, controlling gene expression and DNA replication. Additionally, the nucleus contains the nucleolus, which is involved in ribosome synthesis. The cytoplasm is a gel-like matrix containing water, salts, proteins, and other molecules. It plays a crucial role in biochemical reactions, energy production, and substance transport, providing structural support to the cell. Protein synthesis is a crucial process within cells, involving the synthesis of proteins using genetic information from messenger RNA. This process is vital for building and repairing cellular structures, regulating biological processes, and expressing specific characteristics of each organism. Ribosomes are essential organelles for cellular functioning and survival. They are located in the cytoplasm and the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Ribosomes synthesize proteins, using the genetic information from messenger RNA, which is crucial for cellular structure, function, and regulation. Additionally, the nucleolus, found within the cell nucleus, is involved in ribosome synthesis. The endoplasmic reticulum is a network of interconnected membranes that extends from the nuclear membrane to the cell membrane. It plays a fundamental role in the transport, processing, and distribution of proteins and lipids within the cell. They are of two main types: the rough endoplasmic reticulum and the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The rough endoplasmic reticulum is studded with ribosomes and is involved in the synthesis and modification of proteins. In contrast, the smooth endoplasmic reticulum specializes in lipid synthesis, carbohydrate metabolism, and detoxification. The Golgi apparatus is a crucial organelle in the cell, primarily involved in the processing and packaging of proteins and lipids that are produced in the endoplasmic reticulum. It is composed of a series of flattened sacs known as cisternae, which function as the shipping center of the cell. This organelle sorts and packages proteins into vesicles for transport and distribution throughout the cell. Next is mitochondria, that are essential organelles present in eukaryotic animal and plant cells. They are primarily responsible for energy generation through the process of cellular respiration, which results in the production of ATP, the energy currency of the cell. The structure of mitochondria includes a double membrane, which is crucial for organizing various stages of the respiratory chain. Chloroplasts are organelles exclusive to plant cells and photosynthetic organisms. During photosynthesis, chloroplasts convert solar energy into chemical energy, synthesizing glucose and other organic compounds. This process also releases oxygen as a byproduct, contributing to the crucial production of oxygen that sustains life on the planet. Cellular digestion breaks down molecules and waste, recycling nutrients and maintaining cell health. Lysosomes, containing digestive enzymes, dispose of waste, recycle, and defend against pathogens. Peroxisomes, with their enzymes, degrade toxins, protecting cells from damage, and regulate lipid metabolism. Both organelles are vital for cell function and internal balance. Cells need support and movement to maintain shape, move, and divide. The cytoskeleton, made of protein filaments, provides this support, enabling movement, transport, and stability within the cell. Specialized structures like flagella and cilia also aid movement. Both are made of microtubules and are essential for functions like sperm motility. Cells store and transport materials using various structures. Vacuoles, found in plants and some animal cells, store nutrients, water, and waste, and help maintain cell shape and balance. Vesicles transport materials between organelles and the cell membrane. Endosomes capture and distribute materials for degradation, recycling, or use in metabolic pathways. These processes are crucial for cellular maintenance and function. Thanks for joining us today, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating insights into the world of biology.